Today on Northern Outdoors.
Well, here's Brandon with his second nice one of the day.
Right before you came out. So what do I gotta do?
Just got a 60-incher.
I think you got figured out.
Beginner's luck. Get him away from the rope up there. This might be a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
He swam upriver at first. That's why I didn't feel that big.
Oh, that's a big boy. The ninth 55 6-incher for Brandon. Again. Catch and release. Fish on! Well, Brandon's first nice fish of the morning here. This is day 2. Looks like a decent sturgeon.
Jack, that's supposed to be you right away.
Look at this guy pulling on a line. Wow. 65? Here we go. Got a double over here. He's got a nice one. He's got a nice one too, huh?
I think he's actually beauty.
Oh, that's a lot of line. Holy shit.
This is a big fish.
This is gonna be the fish of the week. Oh, keep an eye on that guy.
That was a big fish.
Holy crap.
Oh, it's just a baby.
This is a big one, Brandon. It's just a fish, Brandon. You're shaking. He's too heavy.
It's a heavy fish.
Back up. Get up top.
Oh God.
Hold him on.
It's a trophy.
That's a beaut. Look at that. 62-inch sturgeon. What a beauty. That's what we come out here for. That was an awesome fight. He's a pig. All right, let's have a recap. How'd you feel?
That was awesome. That was a big fish.
That was cool.
That was a very big fish.
That was awesome to watch. Maybe a little guy.
See him?
Huge, but it's a fish.
Yeah.
What a beautiful day it is for catching lake monsters. Yucky. Yeah. It's kind of cool.
That giant.
There's Tori over there hauling in a big horker. We got Tori pulling one in here now. Oh, it looks nice. He's way down the river, but we got this here zooming in technology. Makes it easy for us to watch our partners fishing.
It's a baby.
It's a baby. That's right, folks. That is drag being pulled out. What a good time.
I'm just fighting hard.
There we go.
It's quite the fucker. 6.
Sweet.
It's a beautiful day out today. Brandon's just slaying the sturgeon. We're gonna let him go. Another nice one in the books, a 56 incher. It's 2 56ers for you this trip. It's awesome. Bye bye.
Got Zach hooked up with his third fish of the weekend. Needs to be a better fish. Only time will tell.
He's a fighter.
It's a good fish.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna grab this fish and we'll get back to it.
Oh yeah.
There's the product of that fight.
Nice
You're
sturge.
gonna measure on him, but probably gonna be close to 50.
Got it?
Yeah,
48 and a half.
48 and a half.
He's down.
Just like that. Nice one, Zach.
Another one on the board. Woo!
It's gotta stay with the boat. Uh-oh.
Coming over here.
Ramming speed.
There you go.
Christ.
Nice.
What a beaut.
Zach's a few minutes into this fight. Fish still hasn't showed himself.
Keeps taking off. He comes in and takes off.
Zach's just happy to be on this end of it this time instead of holding the camera.
Yeah, not kidding.
That's a good fish. That's a good one.
Can you land him? He's good. He's tired. Yeah, get him up. Woo! Just hold this 57 incher in. Woo! Gonna let him go. He's down. I'm slimy as hell.
Yeah.
Woo! There we go.
Northern Outdoors.